The courtroom went dead silent, and in the very next second, Judge Simpson turned the entire hearing upside down.
All right, Judge Simpson, public defender Hannah Apple here on behalf of Ms. Floyd. Ms. Floyd, will you state your name for the record?
I jumped into this video way too quickly. I could have given you a little bit more of an intro. So this is all Judge Simpson. All these clips happened yesterday. They're all from yesterday's docket. There's some funny ones, some sad ones, some Mr. Allen's. We're all over the place. I think we're starting off with the sad one. I actually don't remember the order, but like I said, we're all over the place. Okay, now let's go.
Melissa Floyd. Thank you. Your Honor, our office did confirm that we have a conflict on this matter. We're asking for an adjournment for new counsel to be appointed. And I also did not have a chance to meet with Ms. Floyd. I think she was taken into custody yesterday.
Okay. Ma'am, do you have anything else holding you at all?
No, I don't. I actually have to be to work tonight. I just got this job at Zingerman's. I have to be to work tonight at 8 o'clock. I just lost my car again for the second time in 30 days, Your Honor. I have to go get my car out again.
Hold on a moment.
I'm really at a breaking point. You know what? Like, I'm tired. I can't take no more charge after blow. After blow, I'm taking after blow. And I just keep on trying to walk. Keep on getting up.
Okay, listen to me. All right? Because I'm trying to find, why I asked the question, because I'm trying to find a way to get you out of here if we can.
There's nothing to be.
Hold on. If you keep interrupting me, then I'm not going to try anymore. Okay? You need to listen to me. I get where you are. I have on this case a personal recognizance which bothers me because I'm not sure why she's here.
Your Honor, I don't have any information. I received word this morning from the court that she was in custody. I was confirming I did not receive a bond violation of any kind. I spoke with the court this morning. They were not in receipt, so I am unsure and I didn't have a chance to speak with Ms. Floyd either. I can try to check X jail to see if there's information.
Because on the
There appears
case,
to be a new case.
On a drug.
hold on, what kind of case is that?
Yeah.
MGOP 1000 to 20.
Okay, and she's set to be arraigned before the magistrate today already?
That's what X jail says.
Okay. So, all right, Ms. Floyd, listen to me. What time, just listen. What time do you have to work?
8 p.m.
Okay, here's the thing. The magistrate's gonna see about what that.
And I really would like to go to work.
Okay, Ms. Floyd, you're gonna have to listen to me, okay? Because I'm gonna try to explain it so find a way to get you out so you can go to work. Okay? The magistrate, your case is set, that other case that's holding you is set to be heard for the magistrate this afternoon, right? Or at 11. So we don't know if the. All right. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Floyd. On your case today, I'm going to adjourn you out to the 18th. All right, this case here, because this case is not holding you.
Back here on the 18th.
9.
I was gonna come here physically this morning. Oh.
Ms. Floyd, I'm gonna try one more time. Are you gonna listen to me? Because if you're not gonna listen to me, I'm gonna stop trying.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm adjourning this case out to the 18th. I'm gonna continue your bond because on this case, you have a personal bond. All right, this case that I have that you're here
Right,
is not holding.
right.
The case that's holding you, the magistrate will arraign you today if the paperwork is over here. All right. What I would suggest, Ms. Apple, is somebody from the PD will, there may still be a conflict of some type, but that's okay. She'll have somebody there representing. Two things. If for whatever reason the paperwork itself doesn't get here, I need somebody to contact my office right away.
Hey, Mimi, thank you so much for asking. They are amazing. They get older every day. Weird, I know, right? But they are great. They are great. Very excited about Thanksgiving. Yeah, that's what holidays come up, right? Thanksgiving. They're really excited about. Yeah, no, they're excited about Christmas. Mimi, thank you so much for asking.
And I will figure out something to do so she can get herself out and get to work. Okay. That's the first thing. And the second thing is if her bond, because I don't see the bond sheet or anything like that right now. If her bond is not set in a way which allows her release, I need somebody to in some way get to my office also so I can take, so that I will take a review of her bond.
Understood.
Okay.
I'll follow up on that.
You get that, Miss Floyd?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what you need to do, you're welcome. What you need to do is just calm down. I get what you're telling me. And we're going to do everything
I
we
keep
can.
taking them. Bow. I keep taking them and trying to get back up.
We're gonna do everything we can to get you to work. Okay.
All right.
That's no problem.
I get it. You keep taking hits. You keep getting back up. All right. And all I'm going to tell you is you just got to keep getting back up. Sometimes that's the way just life is. I've taken my own share of them, and you just
I
get back
know.
up. You just
I
say
know.
what you got to say, keep smiling, and keep moving on, and don't worry about the rest of the stuff. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
So if you come in here again, you come in here acting like that again, we're gonna have a different kind of problem.
Okay, sir.
You got it? All right. You have a great day. We're done with this. We're done.
Well, that was a good way to start the night, right? A little positive interaction with Judge Simpson. Yeah. Sarah, well, you know what I should say. Janie, thank you so much for the 21 months. My favorite Kiwi. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I saw your comment in the video this morning. Was it this morning or yesterday? I don't remember. But it made me smile. I was like, oh, it's Janie. So I really hope you're doing well. And thanks for jumping in and saying hi. And for the 21 months. Okay, let's keep going. Got more Judge Simpson.
Court calls case, People versus Tory Brooks. He's in the hallway. Oh, okay, because he's got kids too.
Buddy Judge, Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Mr. Tory Brooks, who will stand to my right at the podium. Mr. Brooks, please state your name for the record. Tory Brooks.
Okay, what are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I did hand to you bailiff a request for adjournment. I did speak to Mr. Brooks, and Mr. Brooks is requesting that I ask the prosecutor for another offer. So we're continuing to negotiate in this matter. I'd ask for a brief adjournment, Your Honor.
Realize he's got positive tests.
I did not, Your Honor, no.
Approach.
What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're diving into a full session of Judge Simpson's courtroom, emotional moments, shocking twists, and defendants who had no idea what was coming next. Sit back, relax, and let's jump straight into the action.
Yeah, I kept this in thinking that maybe we'd be able to understand what they're saying. We can't. Probably should have deleted this. They approach the bench. They talk for a couple minutes. They go back to the podium. Then Mr. Feaster and his client are talking for another couple minutes, but they're whispering, and then they go right back to the bench. So, yeah. It's a little block of time I wish I just deleted, but let's go.
I should be here. Can we approach briefly, Judge?
Man.
Don't have a choice. I'll let you talk. We're ready now, Judge.
All right. Just so we're clear on the history of this, defendant had a warrant in this case back October 16th. I didn't see him, but I guess what had happened was he had had another court case the same day. The magistrate, while giving him credit for that, I guess the problem that I have is that he's not arraigned on this until the 18th of November. So he's out there a month. When he's out there the month, he's also just not testing. And he keeps testing positive for THC. You say you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do. I actually have one, and it's coming in the mail this weekend. I already had it months ago, but I lost it. Actually, lost my card, my social security card, my ID. I had to get everything back. It's coming in the mail.
Where were you for the month that you didn't appear here?
I was in custody for a week or two because of the case that I had.
Okay, but then after you got out of custody, supposedly, then what happened?
I'm not sure.
He wants to know why you didn't come back or turn yourself in or address things for the 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks after you were released from custody in the other court.
I did address it. I've been going to community corrections.
You haven't been tested.
As of recently, because I had just got released.
Yeah, you got released, had a new community corrections order. That's the other reason that you went over.
Yeah,
You're still testing positive for THC. We don't have a card. You haven't given them a card. At this point, I'm just going to put
I gave my probation
December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Give you a chance to get that information, but at this time, defendant's bond is revoked.
My probation officer has my card. If it's possible, you can get the information from him. He can see you.
Tell your attorney.
Mr. Puppet.
Talk to them. Right now, you need to go with my bailiff.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. Go with my bailiff. Yeah, I think it's hilarious that in any other capacity, when Judge Simpson's talking about Mr. Allen, he says Mr. Allen. When he's angry, he calls him my bailiff. Or I guess, I don't know. He wasn't really angry there. I think you guys know what I mean. Go with my bailiff. No. When he gets angry, he does say Mr. Allen. Mr. Allen. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Let's just keep rolling. Keep rolling. Guess what's next? Yep, you're right, Judge Simpson. Oh, no, we got another milestone. Hold on. Dr. JD, thank you so much for the 22 months. That is awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Almost at 2 years. Almost there. Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Daniel Cummings.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Daniel Cummings. Can you state your name, please?
Daniel Cummings.
Your Honor, we're going to ask for an adjournment so that I can have more time to speak to Cummings and the prosecutor. Mr. Cummings is asking for an adjournment about a month out. He has different procedures coming up and he wants to get all of his dates together.
You've seen his test result? Apparently not.
Yes, we discussed.
From the 24th?
Just a second, Your Honor.
Counsel approach.
I think I cut out a little bit of this. Or maybe this is the short one. I don't remember. I wanted to do an all Judge Simpson night, so I watched all of his docket from yesterday just to do it. But I remember there were a couple areas where they would approach. Yeah, there we go. So it was a short one. There we go. Okay. All right. Janie, thank you for the super chat. I got my Australian citizenship, so now a Kiwi and an Oz. Nice. Nice. Congratulations. Congratulations. I don't know what else to say. Congratulations. I don't. I'm just trying to think of something nice to say. I don't know what to say besides congratulations. I want to say, like, I'm proud of you. Like, I don't know if that's I don't know. So I'm just going to say congratulations and thanks for the super chat. Janie, again, thank you so much and good to see you. Oh, that's cool. So did I. He called me back on the record and talked to me right after a case. It was cool. But yeah. Congratulations.
Yes, we're trying to review this treatment. You might want to get that button.
Your Honor, can we get an adjournment for about a week so I can?
Yes, and just so that we know that on the 24th of November, defendant tested, which is actually only tested, he's taken and he tested positive for fentanyl in this case. So it's.
And Mr. Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm going to adjourn this out to December 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. This time, defendant's bond is revoked, defendant's remanded.
Yeah.
All right, because Wixom is in the audience trying to tell everyone how cool he is. I'm gonna show him how cool I am. This is what I got. Hold on. Here we go. You ready?
Please. And
Wait, that was too quick.
I see Colin in back, please. And
Yeah. All right. That might have been a little too much. I might have gone overboard. Okay, let's go. Next case. We're still in Judge Simpson's courtroom.
Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Sandra Law.
Ashley Phelps for the people.
Stephanie Tannant on behalf of Ms. Law.
Ms. Law, could you please state your name for the record?
Sandra Law.
What are we doing?
Thank you, Your Honor. So a part of what we had been discussing with the prosecutor's office required my client to be in some sort of treatment. However, and the court did the order, but not been released to treatment yet, as the court can see.
Is that because they can't find something?
They're waiting on beds. Yes, Your Honor. They're waiting on beds. Your Honor, my client is asking if the court would consider allowing her to do outpatient treatment instead. She could go on a tether. She believes the court may remember this. She's being evicted. It was before the court, and she has until the 12th of December to get her property out of the home, or they're just going to put it on the street.
That was a case before me.
Yes, it was a case before you, Your Honor.
Just let me tell you the name.
Give me a second.
Who was your landlord?
It was Thomas Berry and my daughter Serenity Sturman.
What did you say? Go ahead.
It's Thomas Berry, which is my daughter's ex-boyfriend, and her name is Serenity Sturman, and she just turned 21. And she's going through a lot of problems with this man.
All right, I got you. I just needed to know who the landlord was. Got it?
I did.
That case was dismissed.
When?
October 24th.
October, it couldn't have been, because we have a thing.
Okay.
There's another one, you just
Did we
missed
have
it, and you had to
another?
refile it.
Hold on.
There is no other
newly entered case in jail.
We don't have another case.
Because they said that you said, because I watched the thing, Your Honor, and you said that he had to refile it because he didn't file it right. He put her name, so he had to refile it under Serenity Sturman and all other occupants. And it's for December.
Okay, but I don't,
Okay, but
we don't
the
have a
court has
case.
indicated that as of right now, there's no eviction, is what he's trying to tell you.
It's like we have to move out or we have to get our stuff taken out by, it's a note, I don't know what you call it. The paper said,
There's a notice to quit.
yes, I mean, that's what it is. We have to go by
Yeah,
the
and
12th.
it tells you that you have a certain period in time in which to move out.
Right, okay, that's what.
If you don't, then what happens is they file a court case and it comes before me.
Judge is saying you have more time.
Right, but will I be out of rehab before that?
I
mean,
have no idea when you're gonna finish rehab.
okay, I do have a job. I do have my daughter to take care of. I do have a job. I am enrolled in school through Yale online. Your Honor, I did that to the family. I made a mistake.
No, we're not gonna admit, we're not gonna talk about any of that. Your Honor, my client is just waiting to be released into inpatient treatment. As you can see, she's anxious to get out and to do so.
Can I please be released? I've never missed court dates. I've been on probation with Judge Washington. I've
Your
passed
Honor,
all
I
my
agree.
jobs.
Did I give you a green sheet, Mr. Allen?
Yeah, I have a green sheet. How
So,
much
Your Honor,
time?
we're asking for just a 2-week adjournment. We just need to get her in treatment so that we can work on an offer.
Will be adjourned December 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank
Can be
you.
released to outpatient treatment.
She said no.